Good afternoon, class. How is everyone today? Good? Good, I'm good as well. Well, today we're going to be talking about jobs. Can anyone define job? Yes? Correct. A job is something that you do to earn income or money. And today I have an activity where I'll show you a picture, and you guys will have to tell me what the person in that picture does, and then we'll have a short activity trying to match where people work, and then you will work with a partner from the activity book. Alright, so before we begin, does anyone have any questions? No? Okay. Okay, so the first type of job that I have for you guys is this picture right here. He works typically in a restaurant, and his job is to make food. Can anyone tell me who this is? Yes? Correct. This is a chef. Right? Chef, you will find a chef working in a restaurant or a cafe, and their main job is to make food. Can anyone tell me who this is? No one? No one? Okay. This one is a scientist. So if you like chemistry or biology or any of the sciences, then you would like being a scientist. And how about this one? Can anyone tell me what this one is? Yes? Very good. This one is a pilot. Right? And a pilot's main job is to fly planes. So if you like to fly planes, then maybe you want to be a pilot. The last example that I have for you guys is this picture. Can anyone tell me what the person in this picture does? Yes. Excuse me? Ooh, very close. This is not a doctor, because doctors usually work with humans, and this is a picture of a cat. And so this is sort of a doctor for animals. Can anyone tell me who the doctor for animals is called? A doctor for animals is usually called a vet. So this is a little bit tricky because they do many of the same things that a doctor does, except the doctor works with people, and a vet works with animals. Okay, so just a quick review. What is this picture? Who is the man in this picture? What does he do? Yes? Yes, he works as a chef. And where would he normally work? Very good. In this picture right here. Very good. This is a picture of a pilot. And what is a pilot's main job? Yes? Very good. A pilot flies planes. And then this man right here, what does he do? What is his job? Yes. Yes, he is a scientist. And then this one, remember this one's a little bit tricky. Very good. This one is of a vet. Okay, so now we know what some different types of jobs are, but now we want to know where people work. Because where you work depends on what your job is. And so here's a list of places where people work. And we already know restaurant. So we'll just go through these. The chef works at the restaurant, correct? Very good. And then where would a pilot work? Think of a place that has a lot of planes, people are traveling. Yes, in the back. Very good. The pilot works at an airport. Okay? And then how about a vet? Very good. Animal hospital. The hospital sort of gives it away because we know that vets basically do the same job as doctors, except they work with animals rather than people. Okay, and lastly, the scientist works at a, yes, very good. Scientist works at a lab. And so a lab has a lot of expensive equipment in it, and that's where you'll find a scientist. Okay? Now I want you to partner up. Today you'll be working with the person next to you, and we're going to do activities out of your activity book. Okay? And so if everyone could open their books to page 14, it should look like this. Okay? And basically, you and your partner are going to work with basically what we started here. And so you and your partner will be given a list of pictures and right here, and words that go with the pictures. Okay? And your job is to correctly match the picture with the word. Okay? And so we have 4 pictures, and what does the first word say? Very good, the first word is teacher. And the second one? Doctor, correct. And the third one? Yes, the third one is of a police officer, and the fourth one is of a pilot. Okay? And so you and your partner are going to talk it over and decide which of these pictures goes with which of these 4 words. Okay? And then after you've done the job exercise, then you'll do where people work. And so activity B is called places. Okay? And it's a lot like activity A because we're given 4 pictures and 4 words. Okay? And so what does the first word say? Very good. The first word is hospital. The second is, yes, the second is police station. Very good. The third one, school. Very good. Basically where we are. So think about who works in a school. And then the fourth one, yes, the fourth one is an airport. We've already seen that from our activity. Okay? And so I'll give you guys a little bit to talk things over. If you have a question, then don't be afraid to ask me. Otherwise, get to work. Okay, class, has everyone completed the activities? Very good. So we'll just briefly go over them, and then I'll give you your homework assignment for the night. Okay, so activity A, picture 1. Who is that a picture of? Very good, that's a picture of a doctor. Does anyone know, is anyone's mom or dad a doctor? Yes? Yes, your dad is a doctor? Do you want to be a doctor when you grow up? Oh, you want to be a superhero? Okay, very cool. Now how about number 4? Can anyone tell me who the picture in number 4 is? Very good. Number 4 is a pilot. Okay. Activity B. What is picture 2 a picture of? It gives you a hint because one of the words is above the door. Very good. Picture 2 is of a police station. Okay, great job today, class. Continuing our lesson will be your homework assignment. I want you to complete activities A and B on page 16. And activity A is when you ask a person what their job is. And so this will help with your speaking skills. And activity B is the response to that question, okay? And then we'll have a speaking activity based on these two activities tomorrow in class. All right? Everyone have a very good day. It was a very good lesson today.